All right, I'm back finally. This is Todd with the hillside pool excavating, and right now I've got the laser set up over here, and I'm going to run around and spray where grade is right now. Okay, so I took the time and just somewhat raked it out by hand. I used that 3-foot, 32-inch rake there, landscape rake, and I'm gonna let it settle, rain on it, and then I may add some more sand. Make sure there's no rocks in it. I've been finding a few rocks, so that's a no-no. So, all right,